exhale and then like that. Then again come here, इधर को छोड़ना है, then right, then again middle, then again left, then slowly actually come down in middle, छोड़ के किसके जो लेना है और छोड़ के you do 3 times like that. Then again, then again, middle, not in normal position. Then again straight, then in bend. Middle, slowly and slowly. Then again down. Then again, middle, then bend. Then again, middle. Then again down. Slowly and slowly. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, as you wish. Then again opposite. Okay, left, middle, right, middle, left, then up, middle, down, middle, up, middle, down. Then it's a move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then do like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then touch your hand like that. Okay. 1, 2, slowly, don't move fast. 3, 4, 5. In yoga, feelings is very important. 1, mind is important. 2, 3, 2, okay, slowly. 3, 4, 5. Then opposite 5. Very nice. Opposite 1, 2,